Select the sketch 2, edit sketch. And this sketch needs to be symmetric, so I want to move this origin at the center. To do so, I select all sketches from the box selection and grab the sketch and move close to that location and release. And I want to add a center line, okay, from the origin. Draw vertical line, center line, press the escape key. And this line has to be horizontal, so add a horizontal. And this and that line has to be aligned, so select both together with Control key and make them collinear. And if I move it, it goes up and down, but I want this line, baseline, to be aligned with the origin point. So select one of those lines while pressing the Control, select the origin point, and I want them to be coincident. Now, as you see that these two lines now color turns to black, that means this is fixed. This needs to be vertical, and this also needs to be vertical. And this arc needs to be tangent to both ends. So select the arc while pressing the Control, select the line together and tangent. Same again, select the line, pressing the Control, select the arc, tangent. And this feature has to be symmetric about this center line. So I select this line, select the other line, and also select the center line all together while pressing the Control key. So 3 lines are added. I want to add symmetric. This needs to be vertical. This has to be vertical. And this also needs to be symmetric to each other. So select those 2 lines together and also center line. Because center line is added, we have this symmetric. Okay, so that will move symmetric. And at this point, it may be wise to move these shapes close to what we want to have, because we don't want any radical movements of the sketch entities while we add constraints. So move the shape more or less closer to what we want. So we want this to be vertical. And these 2 lines needs to be aligned. So pressing Control, select this line, select the other one as well, and they needs to be collinear. And this point needs to be on the center line. So select the center line and the point together, line and point, coincident. And also this V shape needs to be symmetric about the center line. So select the inclined lines both together. If you look at it, I selected point instead of line. So I have to clear selection and do it again. Select the line and make sure I select the line as well. And select the center line. And as I add a center line, that will be a symmetric. And this line and that top line needs to be aligned, collinear. And also this line, that line, the center line, add symmetric. So that will give this shape. Exit the sketch.